Preparation is key. Don't jump in head first. When embarking on any new venture, especially one as complex and potentially rewarding as cryptocurrency trading, it's essential to lay a solid foundation. Just like a climber standing at the base of a towering mountain, looking up with determination, you need to be ready for the challenges ahead. Written by Anthony Pompliano from the Off the Chain podcast, this advice is rooted in experience and deep understanding of the market. Anthony has seen firsthand the highs and lows of the crypto world, and his insights are invaluable for anyone looking to get started. The cryptocurrency market is exciting. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving space that offers numerous opportunities for those who are well prepared. The allure of quick profits and the thrill of trading can be intoxicating, but it's important to approach it with a clear mind and a well-thought-out strategy. It's fast-paced and potentially very profitable. The rapid movements in prices can lead to significant gains, but they can also result in substantial losses if you're not careful. The key is to stay informed and be ready to adapt to the market's fluctuations. However, it's crucial to be prepared before diving in. Just as you wouldn't attempt to climb a mountain without the necessary training and equipment, you shouldn't enter the crypto market without a solid understanding of how it works. This means taking the time to educate yourself and build a strong foundation of knowledge. Think of it like this. You wouldn't climb Mount Everest without training and the proper gear, right? The same principle applies to cryptocurrency trading. You need to equip yourself with the right tools and knowledge to navigate the market successfully. This includes understanding the technology, the market dynamics, and the various strategies that can be employed. The same goes for crypto trading. Without the proper preparation, you're essentially climbing blindfolded. You need to be able to see the path ahead and understand the potential pitfalls and opportunities that lie in your way. Without preparation, you're essentially climbing blindfolded. This can lead to costly mistakes and missed opportunities. By taking the time to prepare, you can avoid these pitfalls and increase your chances of success. Take the time to learn the basics. This includes understanding what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and the underlying technology that powers them. There are numerous resources available, from online courses to books and podcasts, that can help you build this foundational knowledge. Understand the technology behind cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology is the backbone of the crypto world, and having a solid grasp of how it works is essential. This will not only help you make informed decisions, but also give you a deeper appreciation of the potential and limitations of different cryptocurrencies. Familiarize yourself with the market's volatility. The crypto market is known for its rapid and often unpredictable price movements. Understanding this volatility and learning how to navigate it is crucial for any trader. This means staying up to date with market news, trends, and developments. Learn how to read charts and analyze trends. Technical analysis is a key skill for any trader, and it involves studying price charts and identifying patterns that can indicate future price movements. By mastering this skill, you can make more informed trading decisions and increase your chances of success. This groundwork will be invaluable as you navigate the exciting yet often unpredictable world of crypto. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to handle the challenges and seize the opportunities that come your way. The more you understand about crypto trading, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. This includes not only understanding the technical aspects of trading, but also the psychological aspects. Trading can be an emotional roller coaster, and having the right mindset is crucial for long-term success. Don't let the fear of missing out, or FOMO, lead you to make rash decisions. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and make impulsive trades, but this can often lead to losses. Instead, take a disciplined approach and stick to your trading plan. Take your time, do your research, and enter the market with confidence. By being well prepared and informed, you can navigate the crypto market with greater ease and increase your chances of success. Remember, the journey to the top is not a sprint, but a marathon. Take it one step at a time, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your trading goals. The ABCs of crypto blockchain, charts, and indicators. These three elements form the backbone of understanding and navigating the complex world of cryptocurrency trading. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, mastering these concepts is essential for success. Written by Anthony Pompliano from the Off the Chain podcast, this guide aims to demystify these critical components. Pompliano, a well-known figure in the crypto space, brings his expertise to help you get a solid grasp on these foundational elements. Before you execute your first trade, there are some fundamental concepts you need to grasp. Understanding these basics will not only help you make informed decisions, but also protect you from common pitfalls that many new traders face. First up is blockchain technology. This revolutionary technology is the bedrock of all cryptocurrencies. Without blockchain, the entire crypto ecosystem would not exist. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger that records every transaction across a network of computers. Each transaction is securely encrypted and added to a chain of previous transactions, forming a block. This chain of blocks is what we call the blockchain. This decentralized system is what makes cryptocurrencies secure and transparent. Unlike traditional financial systems that rely on a central authority, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network. This means that no single entity has control over the entire network, making it highly resistant to fraud and tampering. Next, you'll need to understand how to read financial charts. Charts are the visual representation of price movements over time and are crucial for identifying trends and patterns. They provide a snapshot of market sentiment and help traders make informed decisions. These visual representations of price movements over time are crucial for identifying trends and patterns. By analyzing these charts, you can gain insights into market behavior and predict future price movements. Learn about different chart types like candlestick and line charts. Candlestick charts, for example, provide more information than line charts by showing the opening, closing, high, and low prices for a given period. This additional information can be invaluable for making trading decisions, and what the various data points represent. Each data point on a chart tells a story. For instance, the length of a candlestick can indicate the level of volatility in the market. Understanding these nuances can give you a significant edge. Finally, familiarize yourself with trading indicators. These are mathematical tools that analyze past price data to help predict future market movements. Indicators can provide signals for buying or selling and are an essential part of any trader's toolkit. These mathematical tools analyze past price data to help predict future market movements. They can help you identify trends, measure market momentum, and even predict potential reversals. Some popular indicators include moving averages. Moving averages smooth out price data to create a single flowing line, making it easier to identify the direction of the trend. They can be simple, exponential, or weighted, each offering different insights. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and MACD. The RSI measures the speed and change of price movements, helping you identify overbought or oversold conditions. MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is another powerful tool that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a security's price. Understanding these tools will give you an edge in making informed trading decisions. By combining different indicators, you can develop a comprehensive trading strategy that maximizes your chances of success. Remember, no single indicator is foolproof, but when used together, they can provide a more complete picture of the market. In conclusion, mastering blockchain technology, financial charts, and trading indicators is essential for anyone looking to succeed in the world of cryptocurrency trading. These tools and concepts form the foundation of your trading knowledge and will help you navigate the volatile and often unpredictable crypto markets. Many successful traders attribute their success to a deep understanding of these fundamentals. By investing the time to learn and master these concepts, you too can increase your chances of success in the crypto trading world. There are numerous resources available to help you on this journey. From online courses and tutorials to trading simulators and community forums, take advantage of these tools to enhance your knowledge and skills. Engaging with the crypto trading community can also provide valuable insights and support. Networking with other traders, attending webinars, and participating in forums can help you stay updated on the latest trends and strategies. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to staying ahead. Keep yourself updated with the latest developments and be willing to adjust your strategies as needed. So, whether you're just starting or looking to refine your trading skills, understanding blockchain, charts, and indicators is your first step towards becoming a successful crypto trader. Embrace the learning process, stay curious, and most importantly, trade wisely.